Welcome everybody by the Two Pops of Breaks. It is Friday, July the 5th. We are breaking Gold Rush autographed baseball jerseys. It's a 2-box break. The last 2 boxes from this case we started yesterday, I do believe. We got 1 and 4. We did pick a name, get 3 via random on the left. We've already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized everybody. Gave them a couple minutes to trade. Nothing went down, but here we go. Alright, here we go. Pop, pop, pop. Well, guys, it's going to be someone who I named. I said to pick them. Bam! Going to be the McLean, guys. Bam! Gonna be the McLean Beckett Witness hologram on a nice Reds jersey. Jesus Christ, man. Well, I don't know what to do, guys. I mean, even in the other products, man, he keeps hitting. Its pants have been on a freaking nasty fucking roll, man. Continuing to hit. Alright, see what we're gonna finish off with. I have a bad feeling, guys. It's gonna be something fucking Pittsburgh. I don't think we pulled a Pittsburgh jersey yet. But we have had cases that actually didn't have a Pittsburgh guy, believe it or not, so. Bam! Actually, not a Pittsburgh. JC card. Mauricio. I have no idea on that one. Has a JSA sticker and card with that, guys. I know that light glares off those a little weird there. Well, that one's going to Gigi. Well, guys, I am very sorry, everybody else. Thank you for helping us fill that. It was at least a not a monster case for us, guys, but got a few nice hits out of it. I got another one of those coming on Tuesday. I ordered it today, guys. Might be here Monday, but I'm gonna say Tuesday with the weekend everything. G. Alright, folks, that's going to ramp up that one. Join us over at Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central, folks, by the Two Pops Breaks. Y'all have a wonderful night.